Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho. We have made it to the weekend. Come closer, hold me seriously. No, I need to be held. Guys, I need to show you my bag of the day. You won't be surprised because I'm not leaving this bag. Again. Okay, and I want to thank Jane and everybody who has this bag, and Julie, that told me, okay, I've watched a million daggone reviews on this bag. Okay, videos, there's the word I'm trying to think of. This thing, guys, apparently there's a magnet there, and that, I was over here like, what? And I'd probably seen this 100. Okay, anyway, she is the bag of the century. I'm going to put her back here for eye candy because I Cinderella love her. Let's do some business first. I, of course, told you I was going to have some jewelry. And that's just what the bleep I mean, girl. Jeulia. The good folks at Jeulia gifted me. Now, one of these I bought and one of these they gifted me, and I don't know which is which, but we'll find out together. Because when they said you can choose something, I chose a pair of earrings, and then I found the ring that exactly goes to the, so I was like, wait, let me go on and get this myself. So I did that. And also link down below all the information of how you can score something from Jeulia. And because we love a budget-friendly queen, there'll be a promotion code. Booyah. You're welcome, and thank you, Jeulia. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So with Jeulia, all the stuff that comes with it, there's a little catalog in here, some care packaging, a little bag if you want to flex hard on somebody and put the little, you can do that. Okay, let's see if I opened up, because I want to show you the earrings first. Bingo, bango, bongo, here we go. I have the earrings. Okay, you can't see much yet, but wait for it. These I could not live without. I can't live if living is without these. That's the truth. Okay. Earrings. Oh, very nicely packaged. One is packaged by itself and then the other. Okay, makes sense. But they are these lovely emerald green with little diamonds. Can you guys see this? Am I coming through, Mom? Here we go. So yes, girl, yes. How precious are these? I'm going to put them in because, and that's what she said, because they're too gorgeous not to wear them. Not to just stick them right on in your holes, girl, because they're gorgeous. They're beautiful. Oh, yeah. What? What do they look like on me, guys? Ooh, they were very Gucci-esque to me. Like when I saw these, I was like, whoa, Gucci come through, right? But I didn't pay it Gucci price, and you won't either. Well, they gifted me these, but seriously, like if you go to buy these, it's not going to cost you $1,000 or whatever. We are not about that life, girl, but we are about this. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I think these are gorgeous. I just thought from the very word go, like, yep. She gotta have them, and so they were nice enough to send them to me, and I wanted to show them to you so much. Oh, right, yes. I love. Okay, thank you. Those are nice. Linking those for you. Now, because I couldn't stop at just the earrings, I was like, nope, she's got to keep going. Let's keep going. So I bought this myself. And I could have reached out and said, hey, can we, they would have totally done that. They're cool people. but I didn't want to take advantage of a situation. I'm not that biche. Sometimes. But check it out. Okay, look. Look. Is it focusing? Come on, camera. I think it is. Now, you know me. If I go to edit and it doesn't show up, I will. I think it's a little too close. I will post pics. But it is the matching ring to my earrings. I am so super friggin' excited. I also have a Louis Vuitton unboxing coming up of a very special wish list item that I bought from Fashionphile, guys. Okay, let me put this. Girl, what? Oh, yeah. I bought her a little big because I wanted it for my middle finger, yo. What? Look at this. Am I making an asp of myself? What's that from? Dirty Dancing, remember? Okay, guys, just giving you some movie trivia. Thank you to the good folks over at Jeulia. I'm telling you, go to their website. Even if you don't get anything today, go over there and make a wish list and look at stuff, because you are going to find something. Oh, you will find more than one something. You will be like me and, yeah, oh yeah. It's very good. And very affordable and very good quality. I am in love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Jeulia. Okay, here we go. Fashionphile box. You know what it looks like. You've seen it, especially on my channel, because I wear the old Fashionphile out. Somebody asked me the other day if they would do, you could do a, you know, a layaway reserve more than once, more than one at a time. And I'm like, yeah, because I've currently got like 4, so. Yep, you can. As long as that credit card goes through, honey, you can do whatever you want to over there. They're not picky. They're like, ka-ching, we're going to take that money from you today. Yep, all day, every day. So inside, of course, because Fashionphile overshot their quota on these, like, they've been giving everybody, it's almost April, Fashionphile. You are still getting, what are we going to go to, June? All right, hey. Wear it out, girl. But this did not come with the, I don't think it even came with the dust bag or a box, but I've sort of got a bunch of Louis Vuitton boxes that I really don't use anyway, so I really didn't need another box, and I've got more dust bags than I had bags too. How did that happen? Okay, here we go. Are y'all ready for her? Ooh, I'm excited to show you guys this. Whew. Okay, this I don't know if I exactly put this exact bag onto my wish list, but a bag like this, and also I did a collab Valentine's Day video with Michelle, Dial M Style. And I put this on there as a gift, a bag I would love to receive. So now you know what it is, guys, if you watch that video. Hold up. Yep, it's all in here alone. It's just nothing but alone. Are you ready? Bump, 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 bum! What? Thumbnail. Ooh. Okay. That was goofy, I'll admit. So it is the Heart Louis Vuitton lambskin embossed something. I don't know. I think it's just the lambskin embossed heart bag. But guys, now this to me is like, what do they call that? Empreinte? I don't even have a piece of Louis Vuitton in like the empreinte stamped in style. Now they call that embossed, or is it debossed? It's stamped in there, right? I don't know much about this. I did not do any research, but oh man. I thought this was going to be bigger, but you guys automatically know that there's only one time that I'm upset about things being smaller, and it ain't got nothing to do with handbags, girl, okay? So this to me is a win. I'm sorry, but I enjoy this. Okay, let me just tell you guys what happened with this bag. I had this on my wish list as far as February. I want to say like the first week of February. Jeulia or somebody like that, a big channel, unboxed it, and I was like, you know, I already wanted that bag, but now I really want it. Of course, the influencing. Right there it is in my face. If you hear some crazy backhoe sounds, my neighbor's still putting in a pool. 2 months later, when are they going to be available to, is it going to be able to be swimming going to be available by summertime, guys? At this rate, no. Okay. But anyhow, back to the bag. So I put this on my wish list, you know, in my Louis Vuitton, because as of this year, girl, they had the bag. It was on the site, and then all of a sudden, I went to check my wish list after Valentine's Day, maybe 3rd or 4th week of, like, the end of February. Gone. She was gone. Crickets. Bye. I promised you, I'm not tripping here, right? They did have this. It was not add to bag, but it was still showing that, hey, you can still purchase this. Probably not, because you know how they do. But, you know, there was still some hope there. Completely gone now. So, I have been keeping an eye out. These bags, I want to say, when I saw it on the website, it was retailing for like $14.95, anywhere from $13.95 to $14.95. Tell me if you know in the comments down there. But I thought that was kind of steep, but it's lambskin and also a gorgeous heart bag, so I really wanted it because I thought, well, maybe I could swing that, right? Not out of the realm of possibility. And then it disappeared, and I was like, oh, seriously? I start looking pre-loved on it. Girl, $2,500, $2,600, $2,400, $2,800. I'm like, so resale on this pre-loved is double what they sold it brand new for? And then the heavens opened up, the angels started singing, and Fashionphile added another one. And it was, I want to say, $200 over list. Okay, that is, guys, that was stupid of me. I will admit that. She is done with savings now. The savings left the building on this. I did put it on reserve for a minute, but then I got it right back out because I had another reserve. So yeah, she's been buying a little too much. Anyway. I'm totally keeping, I love it. I love it. And not only that do I love it, but guys, I think if I didn't love it, I wouldn't send it back. I'd try to resell it for $2 grand. That's better than everybody else is doing on eBay and all the other. It's crazy. Even the real. I don't know. They're just like so expensive. Okay, what's going on? Okay, yeah, this heart design zipper-wise, it doesn't do a whole lot for the zipper, honey. Now, I already know I am prepared, or at least she thought she was prepared. I am prepared with my Organize Your Bag extender because I already know this is a Felici chain. She's going to need some help on this for sure. So let me put my handy dandy extender on there. Yes. Okay. Whoa. Ooh, I love it. Let's give it the old brand new. Brand new. It was in excellent condition on the site, and I swear I think someone got it as a gift and said, I'm breaking up with you. I'm going to sell your bag. And she did. He or she did. And thank you for doing it because I picked it right up, girl. I am so excited. Yeah, the zipper is a pain point. Maybe that's why they sold it. No, it's not too bad. Getting it started. It's that heart design. I mean, that doesn't do anything for a bag. Oh, I'm into it, guys. The tininess. Oh, she hits me in the right spot. Now, if I had not put the extender on here, it would have been here, right? Oh my gosh, I think this is a 6-incher. Yeah. I'll link it. It's from Organize My Bag. Did I say that already? I did, didn't I? Girl, I'm so excited. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, 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 yes. We love. We're not sending her back. Fashionphile, suck it. I'm keeping this. Y'all made a mistake on the pricing there. You could have got more, I think. But hey, your mistake. And there's not a thing wrong with this bag. It looks brand damn new. Smells new. That zipper is a pain point. It's pink inside. Aren't we all? I'm just, okay, that was nasty. I'm trying to be better, guys. I'm trying to be better. But Rome wasn't built in a day. Neither was my neighbor's pool, apparently. Okay, yeah. I am in love with this. I really, 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 really wanted this. Oh, my heart be still. Oh my God, clutching my pearls. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you guys for joining me today. Oh, did I tell you my scent of the day, guys? Ooh, let's put her back here because she's going to get worn. Okay, maybe not. Okay, I'll just hold on to her. That was fun. Did I tell you my scent? I didn't. My scent of the day is Ariana Grande's Cloud. My daughter and I share this. As you can see, her hair is everywhere, guys. She has long hair and it's just all over this house. Anyhow, this is a cool little, it comes out of the, but how stinking cute. Now, I'm going to tell you something. This stuff smells so good. Have you guys ever tried Baccarat Rouge 540, I think is what they call that? It's very expensive. I can't even think of the guys. The designer, the house is something with an M. I don't know, French. That is a very, very expensive and good smelling scent. She can't afford that. But this, the Cloud, totally a dupe for that. It really is. It smells a lot like it. Like I've smelled a sample and then it's, I would say it's like 88% a copy for it. But hey, and it's less than $100, so score! Love it. And sometimes you can find it at like Walmart, Sam's, Kohl's and stuff for 60 bucks. We love what? A budget-friendly, conscious queen. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Tell me your thoughts, dreams, aspirations, hopes, and everything about this unboxing. Don't forget to check out Jeulia, which will be in my box. Also current bags that I'm trying to sell because she's got a problem. Needs to get rid of some. Definitely. And listen, please, on this one, I know you hear it all the time, but I am so serious right now. If y'all see my husband, shh, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. I wanna kiss you all over, dun 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 dun, dun and over again. Oh God. Am I at purse piece? No. It's like I told somebody on their comments the other day, I just want another piece of a purse. I don't want purse piece. Just give me another piece of purse.